Yeah. A comma to watch it, you fear by 9, you will hear no within a year. O papa who in Manana Bumebu, Fanasai, I would in the fear. Nini Nemo class, I went to me survive and a woman and want to hold the air. So last year, now what damu, and the winning BDR and the massa mammy goza. Charlie Wayade, I was say a boa basso, and Timame goza, make high pound, I want auntie. And then we keep it canto, Massa Mammy goza. We do be a for your phone so one J, Nini Nature one papa, wapa mammy goza. Would the mammy, Bomodena mammy goza. Wobonyum na what drop a tracks pay 50, back of Grand 5. We see Kenya now with a sort of payola, who GD send a coupon die. Upe kununti de wa he mu wada ne ball na ye pass it. Fiti temako se chire pone, sister will be a who yase. So one papa. Baby, I would do that so pimco. And Rana will be a fist in the swasa, who could be a Jericho, I wanna who so. Intimidis and I may better one pipe. A quine be baby and Timmy Aba. Nasa would to me so would you dear Moko Pemisa would the baby, I Jehovah, I wish it up. I want to remember some mammy.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Linda, also known as A-Bar, which is my last name, or everything A-Bar because I pretty much do everything. So I've been getting pushed on to put up a YouTube channel and I finally got to it. So one of the things that I did want to include with my YouTube channel is having these amazing Amazon finds that I come across, because apparently I find really cool things on Amazon. So this is one of them, and it's a collagen eye mask. It's a part of my nightly routine skin, and you can get more details about collagen. Feel free to look up the information. It's really important. It's protein that's in your body. Women stop reproducing it at the age of 25. Men after 30, and it's basically what keeps your skin together. It's the protein that helps you heal, helps you grow your hair, your nails, have amazing freaking skin. So guys, I will continue to put up my Amazon finds, and I hope you guys enjoy my YouTube video for my hair tutorial and my curly hair. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed.